Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your mobile in 2025. Watch as I try it out. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming tips. All right, let's dive in. First, I opened the Roblox app to redeem my gift card, but nope, it won't work there. So I switched gears and launched my browser. Safari or Chrome works fine. Head to roblox.com, tap Continue in Browser, and log in with your username, email, or phone and password. Hit Continue in Browser again to access the site. Next, tap the three lines up top, scroll to Help and Safety, then Help. Search for Redeem, select How to redeem and spend your gift card, and tap roblox.com/redeem. Scratch off your code or copy it, enter it here, and hit Redeem to add it. Double-check the code for accuracy. Also, verify your balance afterward. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Roblox gift card on mobile. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.